Welcome to Recall Alert. Ford Motor Company has issued a safety recall for approximately 1.4 million vehicles due to a defect in the rear-view camera system that may render the display image distorted, blank, or inverted when the vehicle is placed in reverse, significantly increasing the risk of a crash. Affected vehicles. The recall covers multiple models from the 2015 through 2020 model years, including Ford Explorer, Ford Taurus, Ford C-Max, Ford Escape, Ford Flex, Ford Fusion, Ford Fiesta, Ford Mustang, Lincoln MKZ, Lincoln MKT. Nature of the defect. According to filings with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, some vehicles' rear-view camera displays may go blank or show no image when the vehicle is shifted into reverse. Show a distorted or inverted image, reducing the driver's visibility behind the vehicle. The defect is estimated to affect about 2.7% of the vehicles in the population. What Ford will do. Owners of affected vehicles will receive an interim notification letter informing them of the safety risk. Dealers will inspect the rear-view camera system and replace the camera module free of charge if the defective component is present. The replacement is covered at no cost to vehicle owners. What owners should do. 1. Check your VIN. Use Ford's official recall website or contact your dealer to determine if your vehicle is included in recall campaign 25V572, 25S89, internal Ford campaign. 2. Watch your mail. A recall notification should arrive shortly if your vehicle is affected. 3. Do not delay the repair. While the defect is not reported to have caused fatalities, it does increase crash risk. Operating your vehicle without the fix may reduce your safety margin. 4. Visit a Ford or Lincoln dealer. Schedule the free inspection and camera replacement as soon as possible if your vehicle is in the affected model year range. Final word. If you drive a Ford or Lincoln vehicle built between 2015 and 2020, and especially one of the models listed above, it's important to verify whether this recall applies to you. The rear-view camera is a key safety feature when reversing. A failure here reduces visibility and increases the risk of an accident.